It's pretty hands off, but electricity and an inspection of your system is still part of your home maintenance that I think a lot of people neglect until there is a problem.
There's some of the big things. There was a couple of homes this week that we went out to, and it's just older outlets and switches. And people don't realize every time you're plugging things in and out of outlets that they end up start wearing out. So you could have a plug that's plugged in to an outlet and it starts sliding out. Well, if you have a plug that's sliding out of an outlet, I think it's time to replace those just because that's going to create heat buildup, which then could be a potential fire. So those are the type maintenance things that are easy to see.
Yeah,
And then,
if the plug is loose, it's not whatever you're plugged in, it's not operating the way it was designed.
correct. It should be holding that plug in there and be tight.
So the current isn't as what it's designed to be either, because only half the metal plug is, you might get connection and it might be working, but it's not to the degree it was designed.
And that's loose connections create a lot more heat. And that's where you end up having bigger issues and everything, because then the wire starts heating up, then the insulation starts heating up and could start melting insulation back more. So having like out your panel, there's times where we'll go out and we'll go through and we'll refurbish a panel, just putting brand new breakers in, because breakers are outside. They don't last forever, but also connections, just tightening all the neutrals, the grounds, wires on the breakers themselves, because you'll find where people might not have tightened them correctly or sometimes over tighten them and it pinches the wire too much. But you'll see where it starts overheating and starts burning the wire back. And it's because that was loose and it created so much heat that it's causing that insulation on the wire to actually start melting. So, and that would be like outlets. There was an outlet where there was too many wires and they didn't use the correct size wire nut, and they screwed this thing on and it literally wasn't even touching the metal twisted part in a wire nut. It was using the plastic to hold it together. Well, it had a ring around the actual wire nut where it started overheating and melting the wire nut.
That's a scary situation.
Yes.
And it's not something you see.
It's like a box.
Those components are not designed to be seen.
Yep. So you just all of a sudden know, oh, I have this major issue because these things aren't working. And then people call electrician and then we start tearing apart stuff and then we start finding these things. So we had earlier this week, we had another lady. She had a historical home in Phoenix. The wire is called BX. It's a metal cable with wires in it. And the wires or the insulation on it just gets baked because all the wires would be up in a junction box in the ceiling where a light was. And back in the day, you would have halogen bulbs, which would create a lot of heat. Well, the wires were so brittle that they were causing shorts, and it's things like that. So heat destroys a lot of things, as everybody knows with how hot it is here in Arizona.